write a token value for the model. So here I will type model name is equal to, okay. Client is equal to, yes, response, yes. Now it will going to append our answer. So let's do that. Now we will going, so here we write a code to rank to get the rank, and basically it gives the rank one. Uh, Humorously, interestingly to our model, that is Llama 3, and also rank 3 is also the Groq Mixtral that also I have used in the above code, if you have noticed. So basically, this is the code which I have write to just to get the ranking of the model. So congratulations, you have completed some sort of coding, and in the next we will going to see some codings to append. To just to uh, get one type of get together of codes, and they will provide us a long script answer at the end. So we will going to see that in the next video. Till then, keep building.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.